How to stay motivated on your financial. What if I told you that you will never be rich? You work hard, you dream big, yet your bank account stays the same. Most people fail in their financial journey, and if you keep doing what you're doing now, chances are you will too. But here's the good news. Those who understand the truth behind money, mindset, and motivation win. Today, I'm revealing the game-changing secrets that will keep you unstoppable in your financial journey. Stay until the end, because skipping this could cost you everything. Secrets to staying motivated on your financial journey. Let's be brutally honest, motivation is a lie. Think about it. How many times have you set a financial goal? Saving more money, starting a business, investing, only to lose motivation after a few weeks? Here's why. Motivation is a temporary emotion. It fades, and when it does, people quit. The truth? Rich people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Pro tip: create a daily financial checklist. Track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Awareness is the first step to control. Here's the harsh truths about money and motivation. Now let's dig deeper. Why do people struggle financially? It's not because they don't earn enough. It's not because they're not smart. It's because they have a broke person's mindset. Harsh truth: if you're waiting for the right time to get serious about money, you've already lost. Most people live in a cycle of earning, spending, and struggling. They say, "I'll start saving next month. I just need to make more money. I don't have time to budget." But here's the reality. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you keep. And the reason most people fail, they don't want success bad enough. Pro tip: start a no-spend challenge for 1 week. Force yourself to break bad spending habits. How to stay motivated and win financially. If you want to stay motivated, you need a system, not willpower, not luck. Here's how the rich stay on track when everyone else quits. Find your why that scares you. Ask yourself, what happens if I don't get rich? Imagine being 60 years old, still broke, still struggling. Fear is a powerful motivator. Use it. Pro tip: write your worst-case financial scenario and read it every morning. Build a system, not an excuse. Automate savings. Set it and forget it. Track every dollar. If you don't control money, it controls you. Create non-negotiable financial habits. Treat wealth building like brushing your teeth. Pro tip: set up auto transfers to a savings or investment account. Make it invisible to your daily spending. Surround yourself with winners. Show me your friends and I'll show you your bank account. Avoid negative people who say, money isn't everything. They're usually broke. Follow those who already have what you want. Pro tip: join online communities of successful entrepreneurs and investors. Learn their habits. Rewire your brain for wealth. Instead of, "I can't afford it," ask, "How can I afford it?" Study financial psychology, because money is a mind game. Stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like an investor. Pro tip: read one personal finance book per month. Start with The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Destroy the instant gratification trap. Social media, fast food, and online shopping are designed to keep you broke. Wealthy people delay pleasure for long-term gain. Learn to love the process, not just the results. Pro tip: before making any purchase, wait 24 hours. If you still need it, buy it. If not, save the money. Here's the truth. You will either control your money or your money will control you. Your financial journey won't be easy. There will be failures, doubts, temptations to quit. But those who refuse to give up win. Imagine your future self, debt-free, wealthy, happy. That version of you is waiting, but only you can make it happen. So what will you choose? Struggle forever or start taking control right now. If this video hit you hard, drop a comment. I will win. Like this video if you're done making excuses. And if you're serious about financial success, subscribe now for more life-changing content. Your future self is watching. Don't let them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.